Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Maleek and this is OleekForex, channel where I share tips on how to make you a profitable forex trader on a consistent basis. And in today's video, I just want to talk about myself and who my trading experience and where I am currently in my trading journey. So like I said before, my name is Maleek and I'm a civil engineer. Yes, I have a full-time job. I still work uh from I won't even say 9 to 5, because in the construction industry it's not 9 to 5. So basically I work from like 7 a.m. in the morning Nigerian time to 6 p.m. in the evening. So and yet I'm still trading forex. So you see there's already a lot of challenges. So why I'm here today, why I started this channel, is to basically share my journey and the level I am in trading, and also hope and believe that someone out there who is working, like how they say it commonly, 9 to 5, but personally I'm not working 9 to 5, I'm working like 7 to 6. So and learn from my own journey as a trader. That's like basically what I'm going to be sharing is real life challenges, trade setup, weekly analysis, and also things that can help you psychologically, some risk management, and also how you can manage emotions in this trading uh, in trading forex generally. Because I'm not a guru yet. When I mean I'm not a guru yet, yes, if I'm a guru, I'll be flaunting maybe Lamborghini or something like, the luxury stuffs of life. I also wish for that, because if I'm a millionaire already, I won't be working a full-time job. So, but some of us are in a stage in our lives today that we are actually making consistent profit, but we are not at a place where we want to be yet. So trading is more of a personal journey, it's more of an environmental journey. Like there's so many things around you that affect you, productivity and consistency in the trading market. And I have been trading for like 3 years, and I've learned a lot. I'm still learning, because learning never stops. Learning only stops when the day you meet your creator. So if you're tired of all the hypes on social media, there's a lot of hypes, trust me. Yeah, and you want to know what trading is, the reality of trading, is what you'll be seeing in this channel, and also my wins and losses, and how I manage my day to make sure that I take some setups during the week. So for me, the only tip I'll leave with you in this video is this is who I am, and this is where I am in the journey. And I'm not rich yet. I am not some dude that is going to come and tell I'm making thousands of dollars every day in the market. No, I'm just going to share honest truth about trading, win or losses. And also, there are some of you out there that are working like me, and you are trying to balance the time. It's not easy. I won't lie to you, it's not easy. But what do you have to lose? You have all to gain. Whether you trade forex, whether you learn to kill the skill sets or not, time will always pass. And in the next 5-10 years from now, will you be celebrating and happy with yourself that you committed the time, the discipline, the commitment that you put into trading, and finally, who knows what may happen in 5 years or 10 years time. So I want you to see trading as how do they say it? It's not something like a magic that just happens. You don't have to rush it. Just take it as part of your life, and you are just building something that might change the rest of your life and also the life of your family. So it's not something that you have to rush. It's not something that you put a target for yourself. You just need to keep going. And I'll also be here to encourage you, because coming here to encourage you, I'm also encouraging myself. So I'll be sharing trading tips about what I've learned, strategies and everything, and also sometimes maybe drop some motivation for you. Uh, so let me not make this video a long video. Hit the subscribe button. Click. What do they used to say? New to YouTube, so subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that when I drop a video, you'll be notified. Give this video a like. Drop a comment if you want to be part of the community, and any challenge you are facing in your personal trading journey, you can drop it in the comment and we'll address it in your video. Who knows, in 5 years time, in 10 years time, we might all be successful and rich. So let's give it a shot, a try. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.